Hey, it's Jen. Today I have a process video on how I'm making these dashboards for my standard size Traveler's Notebook Planner. And I'm using the February kits, Planner Society kits. And I already cut down my papers. And I'm so excited because Christy brought back the laser cut pockets that have a really pretty lace pattern or doily pattern. And I decided to take the white smaller pocket and emboss it with gold glitter. My daughter is she's mocking me while I do this voiceover. So it's So I'm going to glue that onto my papers. Did I already mention that I already cut down the papers to size before I started this video? So now I'm going to take some of the washi from the Washi Society kit and the main washi from the main kit, and then I'm going to add that to the white background on the pocket, and then add the girl die cut. And I added some ribbon to the tag, and this month's kit came with a bunch of tags. They're really cute. This one says, I think it says have a good day or something. I can't remember what it says. And I realized that the pattern, the gold is kind of getting lost in the yellow patterned background paper. So I chose the mauve. I think it's mauve paper. It's so pretty. And I'm going to glue all of that down, and I'm going to keep it pretty simple. Oh, it says today was a good day. So yeah, I'm going to keep that pretty simple, and then I'm going to move on to my next dashboard. So now I'm going to go onto this dashboard, and I have a rose gold color doily heart that came from Christy's Valentine's digital kit, and I printed that out, and then I cut it out with my silhouette and then I laminated it, but I decided to go with this white doily instead. And then I put some ribbon through the tag, and I have a die cut flower in my stash. And then I'm gonna just make a little cluster there, and then I use some rickrack, some white rickrack at the bottom of the page, and that's it. Oh, I also added some wood veneers to, okay. I added some wood veneer to the other dashboards, and now I'm moving on to my third dashboard. I have some lace from my stash, so I'm just adding that to the bottom there, and then I'm gonna just create a simple little cluster. I like the little ladder with the roses and flowers hanging upside down. They're drying upside down on that. So I'm just keeping it pretty simple. I'm just going to take some wood veneer that says hello planner girl, and then a bow and a heart, and then I'm going to stick that on there, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this process video. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to subscribe to any of the kits, I will leave a link below. You can sign up any time between the 2nd and the 14th of the month. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.